Hello. Welcome to the tiny house. Alright. Well, this is the tiny house that was designed and built by the Avenue's class of 2018, beginning in January of 2016. And this was a project we did in our science course, integrated science, to incorporate some of the things we learned into a real product. So I'm going to take you briefly through some of those systems today. So this tiny house is fully off-grid, which means that it's going to be fully self-sustainable and self-powered. So we have 2 solar panels that are located on the roof, and inside of this cabinet is disguised. Inside is where the batteries are. We have 2 6-volt batteries that will provide 230 amperage, which power the lights that you see in here, and perhaps a propane stove also for cooking. If you look at the wiring through the house, we also have 2 sets of outlets, so you can actually plug in a whole variety of different utilities into the house. You may have noticed the sink over here, and inside of here we have a shower. You might be wondering where we're getting the water from if this is an off-grid house. So we have a pitched roof by 13 degrees, and what that allows it to do is the precipitation runs down and falls into a gutter. And all this water is stored in a 32-gallon tank on the loft of the tiny house. And if you take a look at the plumbing, it runs through to the sink and to the shower also. And this water is used, and it's actually recycled and put back into the ground in a flower bed, where it provides flowers with nutrients like phosphorus and nitrogen to improve their growing. Also in the bathroom, we have a composting toilet. This is a really cool feature of the house, quite unique to the tiny house, and a black rock forest too if you've ever been here. Any fecal matter that is deposited into the toilet is actually decomposed, and this actually turns into soil, and this can actually be used to fertilize the ground outside. This tiny house is about 100 square feet, so we actually set up an interior design team to design it to be as efficient as possible with the space we had. So we have upstairs a small loft that will comfortably sleep 2 people, and we have a nice living area here with a fold-out table, and of course we have the bathroom inside there too. And yeah, those are the systems that make this tiny house spatially efficient, thermally efficient, and I hope to see you back again.
You happy?